Hello friends, I'm out in the garden today, checking out what's growing. I thought it might be a good time to read a book about things that grow in gardens. Here's one called Eating the Alphabet. My friends in Keshet love to sing about the alphabet, so I thought maybe they'd like to hear a book about it too. It is called Eating the Alphabet. How to eat the alphabet? Well, let's see. Oh, it's fruits and vegetables that start with all the letters of the alphabet. Let's check it out. A is for apricots, artichokes, avocados, apples, and asparagus. Yum. I really like asparagus. B is for blueberries, Brussels sprouts, beets, and beans. B is for broccoli and bananas too. C is for cherries, corn, and celery, cabbage, cherries, and carrots, and cauliflower too. D is for dates. E is for endive and eggplant. Eggplant has such a gorgeous purple color. F is for figs. G is for gooseberries, grapes, and grapefruit. H is for huckleberries. I've never had a huckleberry. Have you? I is for Indian corn. J is for jicama. K is for kumquats, kiwi fruit, and kohlrabi. Kohlrabi has such an interesting shape. L is for leeks and lemons and lettuce. And it's for limes. Lime popsicles are my favorite. What's yours? M is for melons and mangoes. N is for nectarine. O is for oranges and okra. And onions. Onions make my eyes tear up when I chop them up. P is for peach and pineapple, papaya and persimmon, and pomegranates and plums. Do you remember when we had pomegranates for Rosh Hashanah? P is for parsnips and potatoes and peas and peppers and pumpkins. Q is for quince. R is for rutabaga and radish. R is for rhubarb too. It makes a fabulous pie. S is for Swiss chard and starfruit. Oh, isn't that pretty? S is for strawberries too. Yummy. T is for turnip and tomatoes and tangerines. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vegetable marrow. I have no idea what that is. I'll have to look it up. W is for watermelon and watercress. X is for zigua, and Z is for zucchini. And Y has yam. It all sounds good to me. I hope you get to eat some of these yummy things today. But now, I want to show you the L that's growing in my garden. There it is, some lovely lettuce. I think I'll go pick some for dinner. Bye for now. Hope you enjoyed the story.